Hey everyone, today I'm going to do another 5-minute landscape for you. This one is using watercolours. I'm going to use a warm yellow, New Gambage, and a pink like Opera Rose or La Rosa. Any of those pinks would do. The other thing we're going to use is ink. This is an Art Spectrum ink and it's black. And the other thing is some granulation medium that's made by Winsor & Newton. I just use these little pipettes so that I can control the amount of flow. I've popped the ink into just a little bit of a little plastic container. There you go. So without further ado, we will go ahead. Now the first thing I'm going to do is mix that pink colour using New Gambage and a little bit of the Opera Rose. Ooh, that's a little bit too much Opera Rose. And lots of water. Now you could actually use any colours for this landscape. I'm just in the pink mode today, so I'm going with pink. I've cut myself a piece of watercolour paper and I'm going to pop in first of all the sky. Now lots of water, quite transparent. We'll have the landscape sloping down a little bit. Don't be too fussy. Next thing, we'll go down the bottom. I'm leaving a little white gap. Can you see that? Of dry paper. Popping it in. Now while that's still wet, I'm going to get just a smaller brush. I'm picking up a little bit of the ink. Take this along that horizon line. And then I'm going to take some of my granulation medium and just run that along too. Then I'm going to tip my work. I'm just turning it to allow it to run the way I feel. If I wanted it to run the other way, I would tilt that way. Just allowing that time to do its thing. I'm just going to add a little bit more pink here and there. See the beautiful granulations I'm getting? I'm just adding a little bit of interest. Okay, you can also do back runs, allowing it to run back on itself. Okay, looking good. Some trees. Just using my round brush. keeping the line quite uneven. Just blotting my brush now, picking up a little bit of the ink. Putting that along the baseline of the trees. Washing my brush. Going to pop a little bit of the granulation fluid on this lid. Because I want to dip my brush into it. Okay. Now I'm just going to use a toothpick and start to pull down some tree trunks. And just softening off the top of those trees a little bit. Just clean water on my brush. Washing brush, a little bit more clean water. Again, just softening off. And there you have a beautiful contemporary landscape. You could do that in a larger size and frame it, or just do it this size and give it away as a gift. Hope you enjoyed using granulation medium and ink and watercolour in this tutorial. If you choose to have a go yourself, don't forget to tag my video and give me credit. But main thing is enjoy, and please subscribe, like, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.